Alright, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blade, the wiper pad, and also clean the wiper tray on your TrueVis. So we're going to go into the menu and maintenance and wiper replacement, and we're going to execute that. Again, it's a TrueVis machine, so the screen will show you what to do, which is great. So we're going to open the cover, eliminate static electricity, and replace the wiper blade itself. So the machine does come with some tweezers to help you with this. I advise you to wear gloves. Unfortunately on the video our hands are in the way slightly, but basically you just want to release the wiper blade from the two tabs and the holes on the blade itself. So the blade has two holes in it, as you can see there, and there's two tabs in the blade holder that actually fit through those holes to secure it. So we essentially replace the blade, we're popping the new blade in and just making sure those tabs are through the actual holes of the blade to get a nice tight grip on it. The wiper pad itself also needs replacing at the same time. That's a very simple thing, you just pop one out and pop a fresh one in. There we go. So back to the screen, we've replaced the wiper blade, we've replaced the pad, so we're going to finish all and close the cover. Okay, for the wiper tray cleaning, which we would also just suggest doing at the same time, so back to maintenance, wiper tray cleaning, execute. This machine will do it all itself. You don't have to do anything apart from make sure you have enough cleaning liquid in your cleaning cart in the machine. Basically it will count down the process, so it's emptying the wiper tray with all the liquid in it. And at that point, once it's nice and emptied, it will refill it by itself again, and it will take about another 3 minutes. So about 3 minutes to empty it, about 3 minutes to refill it. You don't have to do anything, just leave it to do its process. And that's it. Wiper blade, wiper pad, and cleaning liquid out the wiper tray, all done.